So hello guys, today we are going to be writing code or a program in C++ to generate the Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series is that the next term in any sequence is the sum of the previous two terms. This is an example of Fibonacci series over here. Like 0 plus 1 equals 1. This is the sum of this and this. These two are the previous numbers for this number. So this is the sum of 1 and 1. And 3 over here. 3 is the sum of 2 and 1. 5 is the sum of 3 and 2. 8 is the sum of 5 and 3. 13 is the sum of 8 and 5. So this is how the Fibonacci series is, and we are going to be writing a code in C++ to generate this. So what you will need is any IDE for C++, and I am going to be using the Dave C++ IDE. So let us go to the page. Oh, no, yeah. Okay, there you go. This is what you will be needing as a basic layout in the program. So this is how the program's basic layout will be. So now let's start by including some integer values such as int number 1, and you can give the value to number 1 as 0, comma number 2, and the value is 1. So and next number, comma n. So you give these values, you include these values in the program for starting. So now let us start with cout. You need to give the output, or the program should be showing the output in the starting, asking you how many numbers or how many terms you want in the sequence. So yeah, so give the statement, write the number of terms required, and give a colon and space. But this, note that this should be written in semicolons over here, I mean quotation marks over here, so that it prints exactly this same thing, or else it will not recognize the value. And the statements with semicolon, as you always have to do. Then give the place for the input and give the input value as n. Like if you do not write the n over here, it will not recognize the n over here, and it will tell it's not defined. So that's why you need to write the n over here, and then you can write the n over here. Then after this, we will start with the for loop right now. So this for loop is basically for printing the exact number of terms you want in the sequence. So for in the brackets. Now over here include an integer called int semicolon. Now I is smaller than, give the value over here equals 1. I is smaller than or equals to n semicolon plus I. Now open the brackets, and we need to start over here with an if statement. So if right over here, yeah, I equals to 1, then cout number 1 and L. So this is what we need to write, and continue. So this is the first if statement. There are two if statements in this. Open another if statement. I equals to 2. Now do cout number 2 and then endl. It is semicolon and again continue. So these two statements are over. Now you can define the value of next term. Yeah, so you can type next number is equals to number 1 plus number 2. Sorry, I forgot to add an M over here. Put a semicolon after this is done. So now the number 1 will be equivalent to the number 2 after this happens. So write number 1 is equals to number 2. And then the number 2 will be equivalent to the next term after this process over here. So write number 2 is equals to next number. Semicolon, close the statement. Now we need to print the next term. So it goes looping and it will print the how many ever terms you want. So over here type cout next num endl. You do this. Now is going to be as a basic one. We'll compile and run this. Will be basic. Type over here 20. It will print 20 terms over here. As you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. 20 terms will be there. And this is in Fibonacci series. So now you want it to start all over again so that you can give the input for another sequence. Now Fibonacci sequence only, but one more. So like over here type go to LBL. We need to include a go to statement in this for this to be successful. And then over here you can define this full code as LBL and colon over here, not a semicolon. Now let us try this. Oh wait, one sec. I'll start just like that. So you need to do cout endl. You don't need this. And endl. This is done. Let us execute or try to compile. There you go. Write the number of terms 20. See, there you go. It's starting again. Now do 5 if you want. It's printing 5 terms. It's going to start all over again. And thanks for watching this video. This is my first coding video in C++. And if you like this video, if you're understanding anything from this video, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if there are any suggestions, be sure to put them down in the comment section below. Thank you.